In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom to Outlook Calendar. By the end, you'll be able to quickly create an Outlook event and make sure your Zoom meeting link is included so everyone can join without confusion. First, make sure you already have a Zoom meeting created. Open Zoom, locate the meeting you want to schedule, and copy its invite link. You'll usually find this in the meeting details under invitation or meeting information. Copy the full link so it includes everything attendees need to join. Keep the link private and only share it with the people you intend to invite. Now switch over to Outlook. You can use either the desktop app or Outlook on the web. The process is essentially the same. Create a new event. Give your event a clear title so participants immediately understand what it's about. Choose the correct date and start and end times. Double check the time zone if you're meeting with people in different locations to avoid anyone joining an hour early or late. Add the people you're inviting as attendees. You don't need to write out full contact details in the title or description. Just add attendees in the dedicated field so Outlook sends them a proper calendar invitation. In the location field, paste your Zoom meeting link. Many people also paste the link into the event description for visibility, along with a short agenda or key talking points to help participants prepare. If your link includes a passcode in the URL, you don't need to list it separately. If it doesn't, you can include a brief note in the description indicating that the meeting is passcode protected without revealing sensitive details broadly. Set a reminder so Outlook nudges you and your attendees before the meeting starts. A 10 or 15-minute reminder works well for most teams, but choose what fits your workflow. Before you save, scan the event to make sure the link is clickable. On desktop and mobile, putting the Zoom link in the location field often creates a prominent join option, which makes it faster for participants to connect. When everything looks right, save the event and send the invite. Outlook will deliver the calendar event to your attendees, and the Zoom link will be embedded right inside. When it's time to meet, open the event on your calendar and click the link to join. That's it. Simple, reliable, and easy to repeat for every meeting you schedule.